In the vibrant heart of Kingston, Jamaica, Brother Marcus Blake was renowned not only for his leadership in the local Freemason lodge but also for his insatiable curiosity about the ancient symbols passed down through generations. Little did he know, these symbols held secrets far beyond earthly understanding. One evening, during a clandestine ritual beneath the old Masonic temple, Marcus uncovered a hidden compartment in the lodge's cornerstone. Inside was a strange, luminescent stone inscribed with cryptic glyphs, a cipher from an ancient civilization lost to time. As he touched it, a surge of energy coursed through his veins, and suddenly visions flooded his mind. Celestial maps, alien worlds, and a message encoded in the language of the stars. The cipher was a message from an advanced extraterrestrial civilization that had once visited Earth, leaving behind keys to unlock cosmic knowledge. The Freemason symbols were not just allegories. They were a universal code, bridging human history with galactic history. Realizing the significance, Marcus shared his discovery with the lodge elders. Together, they deciphered the glyphs, revealing a map to a hidden portal embedded beneath the Caribbean Sea. This portal was a gateway to other worlds, a bridge between humanity and the cosmos. As days passed, strange phenomena began to occur. Stars flickered unpredictably, and unexplained signals emanated from the depths. One night, with the support of his lodge brothers, Marcus activated the portal using the ancient cipher. A shimmering vortex opened, revealing a shimmering alien landscape beyond. Stepping through, Marcus found himself amidst towering crystalline structures, glowing with an ethereal light. He realized that the Freemason symbols were not just tools for enlightenment, but keys to unlock the universe's greatest mysteries. His journey had only just begun, but one thing was clear. The secrets of the universe were intertwined with their history, and the ancient symbols from Jamaica held the key to humanity's cosmic destiny.